The Child Development Program at Fond du Lac Tribal and Community College starts with listening to what our students' dreams are and aspirations and what it is that they need to get to that dream that they have. We have financial support for our students to pay for their classes, to pay for the books, emergency funding if a car breaks down, or potentially even living expenses. All of our classes can be joined from a distance so that people can stay in their communities and earn credentials and degrees in the Child Development Program. We also allow for them to do hours within the connections, either the centers or the child cares or the Head Starts that they're already connected to, so that they don't have to leave the children that they are serving. The support that we give is there through every step of the process to support our students becoming the kind of teachers and caregivers that we hope to see in the world.